The collar drape is my go-to drape when I'm draping a soft, silky sari like this one that's super lightweight, but I don't want to take the time to pleat the pallu, or I simply don't have the time. So this is the drape I turn to, and if you're in a pinch for time, then this is perfect. Before we get started, I just want to talk about undergarments, especially when you're draping a sari like this one that's lightweight. I'm wearing the Saree Silhouette from Bhuva.com, and it's super comfortable. It'll keep your drape intact. It has an elastic waist and a drawstring that will keep everything secure and you feeling secure, but also comfortable while wearing your sari. So let's get started. You're gonna take the non-pallu end of the sari, in this case, it's either end, and start your drape like you would for the nibby drape. And then once you get back to your belly button, you wanna just tuck the sari in there, bring the sari around. You wanna gather the pallu end and kind of estimate on your body how long you want the frill to be. So I feel like this is a good length. Hold the sari right here, take the end closest to me, or the edge of the sari closest to me, while holding this right here. And the reason for this is because I want to understand exactly how much of the sari I need to pleat for my front pleat. And so what you want to do is bring the edge of the sari around you like this, put your hand to the left of your belly button and start pleating. This is so that the top pleat doesn't open up. Okay, once you get back to that tucked in spot, you want to just untuck it and then stagger your pleats. Once you've got your pleats how you like them, you just want to pin them all together and then tuck them into your sari silhouette. If you have any extra fabric here, you just want to untuck that, fold it forward and tuck it in. You want to take the rest of the pallu, bring it around, gather at the pallu, like very roughly, gather from either end, bring it in, and then tuck it underneath your blouse and bring it over the top. Once you've got the end of the pallu through the top of your blouse, you want to adjust around your waist to make sure you're covering up or showing as much or as little skin as you want, and then also fluffing out the end of the pallu. So if you have any extra fabric here like this, what you can do is just bring it around underneath all of the pleats and just tuck it into the front. And then you can leave this like this, or you can make it into a little scarf and tie it. If you try out this drape, I'd love to know what you think of it. Leave a comment in the comment box below. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, and I will see you in a future video.